Hello again, I'm Carmen and I'm going to show you this week the course collaboration. In the first week we had to introduce ourselves by sharing real stories and fictional ones about ourselves so that we can understand better what we are preoccupied about. Then another step of team formation to start a discussion and respond to one another. Here we have different activities in which we suggested how to team, what we are interested about. I asked if there was somebody who needed help. Afterwards, we had to group each other, and I was introduced into this mature, making adult teaching useful, relevant, and engagement, coordinated by Anna. This is a material programs of co-funded by European Commission lifelong learning program. Then we discussed about how to create a syllabus by discussing what is authentic learning, if it differs from active learning or if they are the same. We shared information from academic sources with citations. After that, we got to the topic student engagement, in which we shared thoughts about what is student engagement, what engagement we have in our classes, what we would like to see in our classes. We have different entries here. Prioritizing and increasing engagement was my introduction. Then we had the topics of rich editor on Moodles, which we posted our entries, the features of the rich editor, the profile settings. We had to update our profile by updating it and introducing different blocks, and to make a video, posting it on YouTube, and then responding to each other on the forum. This is my entry, sorry. Then the visit class to support for week 2. Role of a teacher in the classroom and in a Moodle course. We had to discuss about the role of a teacher in a classroom and in the Moodle course. Then about course design. We had some links to study, evaluating information sources, to be critical on our information, and finding and using credible sites and resources. This is my entry, I suppose. State the purpose at the top of the course, create questions, avoid leading questions, provide space for both closed and open-ended question types, give specific direction, sample questions, instructor-specific questions, course-specific questions, teaching assistant-specific questions. Then we had to introduce video tutorials about resources in the TPA. This is my entry, my video. I think I put it double, or I introduced several activities here. Then we had video tutorials of activities in the TPA. I put 2 here, but I introduced 2 of them here, activities. Then we passed on to week 3, the Quizy class, the support for week 3, the role of a manager, that is the role of a manager in a school or in a module course. This is my entry. Course designer, TA manage gradebook, course assistant, student unlimited quiz time, jury with incomplete, access quick mail block, post to announcements, adding a role at the course level, assigning a role to a student for a particular resource or activity, and how to do that. Then we had to introduce video tutorials of blogs as a manager in the MPA. This is my entry. Then we had to start the blocks on Moodle. Okay, they select your group to collaborate and work on the team course. The name you choose must reflect the topic name of the course. I remained with mature, in which we had to design and develop a collaborative course. Team course collaboration. Here we don't have much, but I had to fill in the teamwork policy. I did it, but I think on another page, I can put it here as well. Policy, and I will show you how to introduce it. Okay. I will access it from my course teamwork policy. It's here. It's loading. It's about team collaboration, communication details. I can copy the link. Communication details of the members, goals and skills, problem solving, but I cannot fill it in. It's only for visualizing. Problem solving, challenges, team ground rules, online communication methods, leadership style, etc. So I'll close it and I'll introduce the link here. Opening a new window. I created a link. I hope it will. I hyperlinked it. I will post it to the forum. Then teamwork policy on Google Drive. Exactly what I showed you. This is the document. Then in week 3, the Wheezy class again. Making suggestions, that is the support for CPA for the course practice area. PowerPoint presentations, recording of week 4 webinar, but I think I'll skip to collaborative course design to show you the course as it is. We are on collaborative course design, which Dr. Nelly made for us with different topics. The first is mature, then collaborative online engineering, different other topics. That is Anna's, technology in EFL Zara's, and my part e-portfolio. Anna's topic is very nice done. That's mature. It's very well made. Announcements, chatting, introductions. I will not open all of it. Then article, that's collaborative online engineering, I suppose, yeah, which is green. Announcements, questions and answers, discussions, schedule and checklist, research, with a variety. It's very well done, it's complete, it's varied, with a lot of activities, mind maps, data, galleries, web forms, samples, conferences, very nice done, and an assignment. Then in topic 2, I don't think we have anything, and I will show you Zara's, which is very well made, the same. It's under the form of sailing, welcome aboard, roadmap. I will show you just the introduction of Zara's, then the roadmap, the syllabus of Zara's course, which I also have on my Google Drive, as I showed you. This is of integrating, and this is my syllabus. I can copy it and introduce somewhere. Oh, I will not move, but again I will and I'll go back to my topic, which is e-portfolio, which I presented in my individual task, which I made of an introductory video, an introduction to the course, portfolio concepts reinforced by a video, by some documents. Then I had an activity, an assignment restricted to make a post and share opinion in one of the topics. How is to build a portfolio, sharing experience, hurdles, ideas, graded or ungraded activities. Then I introduced a chat, a quiz, a poll for visual features, a survey if the students find it useful or not, and finally to introduce a sample. I put one of mine, and the last one, the certificate of achievement, which I don't think I finished. I can get it, but I haven't configured it. You're awarded certificate of completion. I have to work more on it. So this would be mostly our collaborative course design. Thank you and happy Moodling. Bye bye and happy holiday season. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.